Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Builder's Wand Hypixel SkyBlock Full Guide. Hold the wand, select a block, and right-click to place multiple blocks at once. Start by choosing a safe area and the exact pattern you want to repeat. Practice on dirt to avoid wasting materials. Remember that certain blocks and island permissions affect placement, so always check your settings before large builds. For more control, try changing your facing and using Shift to alter the placement axis. Plan each row and visualize the final shape before placing many blocks. Use scaffolding to protect against falls while building tall towers. When island permissions allow, combine wand use with area tools to speed up the process. This keeps your resource usage efficient and helps you avoid costly mistakes during major builds or terraforming tasks. If you like this content, please subscribe and hit like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your room tidy while you build, with voice control and smart mapping that saves time for more building. It's a fun little upgrade to your clean game and pairs well with long creative sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the wand seems broken, first confirm your island permissions and that you are not in a protected zone. Always verify your inventory contains the required blocks to prevent mid-build interruptions. Lag or server rules can change placement behavior, so build in low traffic times when possible. Take screenshots of successful setups to reproduce later, and practice in a creative plot if you want to experiment safely without wasting resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.